Logo first.
We're gonna go live, okay?
5 seconds.
5, 4,
four,
3, 2, 1, and
play.
cue.
नारा तकबीर हजरत खलीफतुल मसीह खामिस जलसा सलाना बरतानिया नारा.
As we come to the end of the 3 days of Jalsa Salana 2013, we hope that the viewers of MTA have enjoyed the daily live broadcast of the Jalsa proceedings. Thousands of Ahmadis are physically present here at Hadiqatul Mahdi, and through the blessing of MTA, many millions of Ahmadis have been present spiritually. Only by the grace of Allah Almighty, MTA has been broadcasting Jalsa across the world for the past 21 years. But what does it take for us at MTA to broadcast the Jalsa Salana proceedings to your home? Many months of preparation precede the actual Jalsa, with logistical planning, scheduling of the programs to be played during the 3 days, the production and editing of various fillers, documentaries and the promos that portray the atmosphere of the Jalsa proceedings. These volunteers spend many days and nights in the build-up to Jalsa to ensure that the broadcast you see on TV is the best possible. At the Jalsa site, MTA staff set up their temporary offices and studios to ensure all the technical requirements are fully met. This involves almost 265 staff, over 30 cameras, 30 computers, as well as a dedicated team. A new feature this year is Jalsa Connect, a more advanced way for viewers to interact and be a part of Jalsa. It covers all aspects of the Jalsa and allows the viewers to experience features that MTA cannot show. Now through Jalsa Connect, viewers can actively interact. For example, viewers have posted their stories on how conventions used to be in Rabwa and Qadian, and viewers in New Zealand have sent in their faith-inspiring stories of how they all get together at night to view MTA coverage of the Jalsa proceedings. Viewers are able to post their own articles, stories and comments, participating in the Jalsa in a variety of new ways. Another unique feature to this Jalsa is a liaison between MTA and Ghana National Television. They have broadcast live coverage from the UK Jalsa Salana, as well as showing Jalsa highlights on national TV. From the cameras that film the live events, whether in the main Jalsa Gah, the MTA studios, or around the Jalsa site, this raw footage is uploaded straight to the MTA system, where the producers choose what to show you and when. Meanwhile, offline editors ensure cameramen film more footage, manage scripts, and produce the short promos and documentaries that you see, such as this one, for example. Once the footage is ready for broadcast, it is sent to the production truck. The final signal is sent to Fazl Mosque, London, where it is then broadcast around the world on more than 10 satellites. Simultaneous translation of all the Jalsa proceedings are also available, in addition to the separate broadcast on MTA3 for the Arab world. In addition, numerous volunteers are at hand to ensure that the MTA staff are well fed, refreshed and rested. Broadcasting the Jalsa Salana proceedings to the corners of the earth is not a simple task, but by the grace of Allah the Almighty, the MTA team works together for the sake of God alone, to ensure that the 3 days are as enjoyable as possible for all our MTA viewers around the world.